Your car is hurling 2 tons of steel at 60 miles an hour. And when you hit the brakes, that energy has to go somewhere. Every wheel's got a spinning iron disc, a rotor bolted tight, moving fast and slick. You press the pedal down, a booster multiplies your force. Hydraulic pressure fires through the lines, it stays the course. Pistons push out our ceramic pads, grip each side. Friction meets the rotor, now the kinetic force can't hide. But it's not gone, oh no, it doesn't disappear. It transforms into